Deep within the dense rainforests of the Amazon, where every step can hide a new danger, lives one of the most feared snakes in the Americas. Silent, camouflaged, and incredibly venomous, the Fer-de-Lance has earned a reputation as one of the deadliest vipers in the jungle. While jaguars, anacondas, and caimans often capture the spotlight, many wildlife experts consider the Fer-de-Lance a far greater threat to anyone who accidentally crosses its path. Hidden among fallen leaves and forest shadows, this snake waits patiently, ready to strike with astonishing speed. The Fer-de-Lance belongs to a group of snakes known as pit vipers. These reptiles possess special heat-sensing organs located between their eyes and nostrils. These organs allow them to detect the body heat of nearby animals, even in complete darkness. This remarkable ability turns the Fer-de-Lance into an extremely effective nighttime hunter. Whether its prey is hidden beneath vegetation or moving quietly through the jungle, the snake can locate it with incredible accuracy. An adult Fer-de-Lance can grow to more than 2 meters in length. Its body is thick, muscular, and covered in patterns that blend perfectly with the forest floor. Browns, grays, and dark markings help it disappear among dead leaves and branches. Many victims never see the snake before it strikes. This camouflage is one of its greatest weapons. Unlike some snakes that warn intruders with rattles or loud displays, the Fer-de-Lance relies on remaining invisible until the last possible moment. The hunting strategy of this viper is based on patience. Rather than actively chasing prey, it often lies motionless for hours, waiting for an unsuspecting animal to come close. Small mammals, birds, lizards, and frogs all form part of its diet. When the moment arrives, the attack is explosive. The snake launches forward with lightning speed, injecting venom through long, hollow fangs. The entire strike may last less than a second. By the time the prey realizes danger is present, it is often too late. What makes the Fer-de-Lance especially feared is its venom. This powerful toxin attacks tissues, blood vessels, and the body's ability to clot blood properly. The venom begins working almost immediately after a bite. Severe pain, swelling, bleeding, and tissue damage can develop rapidly. Without prompt medical treatment, the consequences can be life-threatening. Even survivors may suffer lasting injuries. Because of the snake's aggressive defensive behavior and its tendency to live near areas used by humans, it is responsible for many serious snakebite incidents throughout parts of Central and South America. Despite its fearsome reputation, the Fer-de-Lance does not hunt humans. People are simply too large to be considered prey. Most bites occur when someone accidentally steps near the snake or surprises it. In the dense Amazon rainforest, visibility is often limited by thick vegetation and fallen leaves. A person walking through the jungle may unknowingly come within striking distance before ever noticing the snake. Feeling threatened, the viper reacts instantly. Unlike many snake species that prefer to escape confrontation, the Fer-de-Lance is known for being highly defensive. Wildlife researchers have observed that it may stand its ground when disturbed, rather than immediately retreating. This behavior, combined with its camouflage and potent venom, contributes to its dangerous reputation. For local communities, farmers, and researchers working in rainforest regions, awareness and caution are essential. The Fer-de-Lance is not only a predator, but also an important part of the Amazon ecosystem. By feeding on rodents and other small animals, it helps maintain balance within the rainforest. Rodent populations can grow rapidly when predators are absent. These animals may damage vegetation, spread disease, and disrupt ecological stability. The viper serves as a natural population control system, helping keep the ecosystem healthy. Life in the Amazon is a constant struggle for survival, and even the Fer-de-Lance faces threats of its own. Large birds of prey, including powerful eagles, may hunt younger snakes. Some mammals can kill small vipers before they become fully grown. Habitat destruction presents an even greater challenge. As forests are cleared for agriculture, roads, and development, many wildlife species lose the environments they depend on. The Fer-de-Lance is adaptable, but widespread habitat loss affects the entire rainforest food web. For centuries, snakes have inspired fear, myths, and legends. The Fer-de-Lance is no exception. Stories about its deadly venom and lightning-fast strikes have spread across generations. Some tales exaggerate its behavior, portraying it as a monster that actively hunts people. In reality, the snake is simply a highly specialized predator following its natural instincts. It seeks food, shelter, and safety, just like every other animal in the jungle. Scientists continue studying the venom of pit vipers, such as the Fer-de-Lance. Surprisingly, substances found in snake venom have contributed to important medical research. Certain compounds have helped researchers develop treatments related to blood pressure and other health conditions. What appears to be purely dangerous in nature can sometimes provide unexpected benefits to humanity through science. As darkness falls over the Amazon, the Fer-de-Lance becomes increasingly active. Hidden beneath leaves beside fallen logs or near animal trails, it begins another night of hunting. Its heat-sensing organs scan the environment. Every vibration in the ground, every movement through the undergrowth, could signal an opportunity. Silent and patient, the viper waits. In the rainforest, survival often belongs to the hunter that remains unseen. The Amazon is home to countless remarkable creatures, but few inspire as much respect and caution as the Fer-de-Lance. Armed with powerful venom, extraordinary camouflage, and deadly precision, it has become one of the rainforest's most formidable predators. It is neither evil nor cruel. It is simply a perfect example of nature's design, shaped by millions of years of evolution into one of the most effective hunters in the jungle. The next time you imagine the dangers hidden within the Amazon rainforest, remember that the greatest threats are not always the largest animals. Sometimes they lie quietly beneath your feet, perfectly hidden among the leaves, waiting for the right moment to strike. Subscribe to Amazonics for more incredible stories from the wild heart of the Amazon, where every creature has a story and every shadow hides a secret.